Welcome to the best course, Biology, Nanochemistry, and Drug Discovery, the Hidden Holism. Congratulations for having this chance. I'm really so proud to be with you. I am Ram Abdel Nasser Tashtaya. I am a Palestinian pharmacist, American Studies instructor, author and researcher who is teaching on Udemy. Systems biology is an interdisciplinary field where medicinal chemists evaluate compounds for drug development, focusing on their safety and efficacy. The Nanotechnology Society has been studying the impact of nanomaterials since the 1990s, highlighting their unique properties in toxicity research. Drug discovery occurring in biotech companies and pharmaceutical corporations aims to develop safer treatments for serious diseases. Additionally, a holistic approach to patient care encourages self-care, empowering patients to improve their health and well-being. The present course explores the interdisciplinary field of systems biology, where medicinal chemists identify and assess compounds for their potential as lead drugs, focusing on their safety and efficacy. Drug discovery, central to the creation of modern medications, involves biotechnology, academic institutions, and pharmaceutical companies with the goal of finding safer treatments for serious diseases. The course also delves into holism, emphasizing its application in nursing and patient care, as well as the emerging field of nanotechnology and its impact on toxicity research. The present course is designed for students, researchers, and professionals interested in systems biology, medicinal chemistry, drug discovery, nanotechnology, and holistic approaches to patient care. Participants will gain a comprehensive understanding of the integration of systems biology, medicinal chemistry, drug discovery, nanotechnology, and holistic approaches to enhancing patient care. Participants will also gain insights into holism theory, systems biology, methods, nanochemistry, and their role in drug discovery, with a focus on interdisciplinary approaches for advancing these fields. Many thanks for your attention, and I'd like to invite you to register in this course if you want to explore further.